Beyond national parks, the U.S. hides countless wonders waiting to be discovered. These gems attract few tourists, preserving ancient formations from 300 million years ago. We start with the Midwest's Hidden Canyon, Garden of the Gods in Shawnee National Forest, Illinois. This site features towering sandstone pillars formed 380 million years ago in the Carboniferous period. Discovered in the 1810s, it's reached by the 1 Mile Devil's Smokestack Trail with just 500,000 visitors yearly. Next, the East Coast Seguin Island Lighthouse and Bay. Built in 1797 and automated in 1985, this remote lighthouse on a 1-acre island was abandoned in 2015. It gets under 1,000 visitors a year due to boat access only. Third, the Southwest Indian Canyons in Palm Springs, California. This preserve has palm-fringed oases with turquoise pools from springs dating to 8,000 BCE. Home to the Agua Caliente Cahuilla for over 5,000 years, it draws 200,000 visitors yearly. Next, Pfeiffer Beach in Big Sur, California. Hidden behind a dirt road, this black sand beach has dramatic waves and keyhole arch. Restricted access limits crowds to under 50 daily for a serene visit. Finally, Chaco Canyon in New Mexico, a UNESCO site. It features buried Puebloan ruins from 850-1250 CE, including the 900-room Pueblo Bonito. Built by ancestral Puebloans, with petroglyphs and solar alignments for solstices. These stay hidden due to tough access like long hikes and unpaved roads. The Antiquities Act of 1906 protects these sites across 1.35 billion acres of federal land. These treasures provide unique beauty, history, and adventure. Explore these paths and discover thousands of U.S. hidden gems.